Mama is not at home. Today I am going to tell you that how can we make sandwich. Today my mother have gone to the market as she needed to buy some veggies, and I'm at home alone with my brother. He's sleeping and I'm feeling so hungry. So today I decided why not to tell you a very simple recipe of sandwich. So let's start with the ingredients. So the main ingredient that I liked the most when my mother made this was hummus. I will tell my mother to give the link of hummus in the description. Please don't forget to check it. Here I am using hummus. Second is I'm going to use 2 slices of bread. I have used sandwich breads only. I have toasted them. Actually, just don't tell my mother that I have light on the fire. Gas, and look, I just roasted it. Okay, so the next product that we are going to use, the next thing that we are going to use are veggies. Here I didn't cut it with using a knife because I'm small. I don't know how to cut, so I've used a slicer. I have taken onion and tomato. You have to cut like this. And tomato like this. I have taken 1 each, 1 tomato, 1 onion. Now, the next thing is pasta and pizza sauce, which is from Viva. Viva have launched it. My mother brings it whenever she goes for buying some material for home products. I really like this. Next thing that we are going to use is green chutney. I like spicy food a lot, like my mother. And the next thing that we have used is Heinz tomato ketchup. You can use any other one. So let's start. So for starting, first of all, I'm going to take my hummus and apply it on my 1 slice of bread. I'll show you. I've taken 1 spoon. Bismillah. See, trying to apply. So now, I'm going to apply on 1 slice. I have applied my hummus. And now on the other one, I am going to apply my pasta and pizza sauce. Here I am using 1 spoon only each. ये spread है एक जो एक sauce की तरह आप use कर सकते हैं इसको. So let's come on. It smells gorgeous. Let me take another spoon. Okay, it's very delicious. I really like this. I like pasta. I like pasta a lot. So this is it why it's my favorite. I had 2, but here I'm just using 1 because it's my favorite, as I told you. So now here I have just applied, once again, yep, here I've just applied my spread, and now the next step is, let me keep them aside, I'm going to take my veggies and chutney. First of all, I'm going to apply I'm using very little amount of this according to my taste. Well, like more spice. So here I've taken this and now I'm going to apply it on my slice of hummus. Let me apply. See, It's here in the center. Mama can give you this recipe. I think that Mama must have given you the link. Must have taught you how can we make this green chili, this chutney. So I'll ask her that if she could provide you with the link of it. Spread it all over. Okay. Now this much is okay for me. I'm keeping it aside and keep it here. Now I'm going to take the next step is to apply to put all our veggies on the hummus one only. First of all, I like tomatoes a lot, so I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep 4 slices over here. This. One is this. One this. And the last one. This. I'm done with the hummus slice. Now, if you want to make this sandwich more healthier, then you can also make it homemade. Take a homemade sauce. My mother, I remember it that my mother have taught you that how can we make a homemade sauce, tomato ketchup. So mother, I will ask her to provide you with the link of this tomato ketchup. Okay, now I'm going to apply onions also. I'm going to keep on the hummus slice only. ये ऐसे लच्छे काट लिए थे मैंने, मेरे से सही से कटे नहीं, तो मैंने स्लाइस ऐसे काट लिए थे ऐसे. अब मैं पूरे के ऊपर कर दूंगी, दिखा देती हूँ. Like this, like this. Look at this one, like this, like this. Here also, in the case of this onion one, I've kept all the onions at the top of my tomatoes only. Now I'm going to take my ketchup. You can also use a separate spoon. Where did my spoon go? Oh, it's here. Here. I'm going to take very little. Why do you use a spoon? Mama घर पे नहीं है तो जितनी सॉस लगानी लगा लो. I'm going to apply it on my pasta. This spread on the top of this. Now a little on the onion side. जितनी केचप लगा सकती हूँ उतना लगा दूंगी मैं, बट ज्यादा नहीं, कभी कफ हो जाए. बस. And अब मैं अब मैं इन दोनों को कंबाइन कर दूंगी और देखते हैं. इस वाली स्लाइस के ऊपर कुछ नहीं है तो ये ज्यादा गिरेगा नहीं, तो मैं हमस वाली स्लाइस के ऊपर ऐसे गिरा सकते हैं. ये हमस वाली स्लाइस है. एंड अब लाइक दिस. My sandwich is ready. Now I'm going to serve it to you. So this part is optional. You can do it, and if you like, you cannot do it also. So here I've taken cling fling. Here's the black. Number 1, cling fling. So I'm going to apply it. Wow. I think mom is here. She's gonna scold me. कुछ नहीं, सैंडविच बना रही थी.
और वीडियो भी चल रही है। ओहो, क्या सिखा रही हो?
सैंडविच।
अपने आप से कर लिया आपने, बिना वो टेकिंग या बिना कुछ करे?
जी, सब कर लिया। Okay, so after applying, now I have taken a separate plate and now I'm applying it over it. मम्मा गुस्सा नहीं है। Okay. Now I'm going to take my slice.
May I help you?
Yes. Okay.
कितना गंदा रखा है उमाइजा।
आपके वाले स्टाइल से बनाए।
थैंक यू वेरी मच। आपको आता है मेरे स्टाइल से बनाना?
2 days, around 2 to 3 days before, when my mother, I was very hungry. It was around 6 o'clock. It was a time for snack, and I was very hungry. So my mother served me with this sandwich that I'm telling you. I really like it a lot.
Dear friends.
So here your sandwich is ready.
No garnishing.
I will garnish it. So let me apply both the cling fling. Let me apply the cling fling on both of my slices.
खा नहीं पाती है ना?
गिर जाता है, इसीलिए तो always my mother prefers me to apply cling film
and tissue also.
Yes, tissue. I will do it. So my mother is applying it. After this, I will film it and show it. OMG, guys! I just made my hummus sandwich. I'm so hungry. I'm just starved. My mother is so happy about it. She's so happy that she cannot just express her feelings. I'm so happy. So, I hope that you must like it. So, if you liked it, why don't you click the thumbs up? Why are you waiting for? Please. So, don't forget to share. Click the thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can get the brand new video that my mother uploads. Bye-bye.
गिराना नहीं उमाइजा।
ठीक है। दोबारा बोल रही हूँ, like, share, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon and goodbye.